Hey there, future researchers! Today, I'm breaking down the independent t-test, a super handy statistical tool you'll use in your research. So, what's an independent t-test? It's a way to compare the means of two separate groups to see if they're significantly different from each other. Think of it as a way to find out if two different treatments have genuinely different outcomes. Let's dive into an example. Imagine you're researching the effectiveness of two painkillers, drug A and drug B. You have two groups of patients, each receiving one of these drugs. After a week, you measure their pain levels on a scale from 0 to 10. Now here's where the independent t-test comes in. You take the average pain scores from both groups and see if there's a statistically significant difference between them. If drug A has an average pain score of 3 and drug B has an average score of 5, the independent t-test will help you determine if that difference is due to the drugs or just random chance. But don't worry, you don't have to do the math by hand. Software like SPSS or even Excel can do the heavy lifting for you. However, understanding the concept is crucial. One key point to remember is that the groups must be independent. This means the patients in Group A are different from those in Group B. If the same patients were tested with both drugs, you'd need a paired t-test instead. So, why is this important? In the medical field, making informed decisions based on data is vital. Whether you're assessing new treatments, evaluating patient outcomes, or conducting clinical trials, the independent t-test is a tool you'll use often. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more medical insights. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious. Voiceover end.